What's up, everybody? It's your boy JC coming at you from Thailand today. It's day number 8 here in Bangkok, and it has been fantastic. I am so happy that I have come here. As a lot of you may or may not know, Thailand is a very popular tourist destination. There are 4 major cities: Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket, and Chiang Mai to the north. Um, there's a lot of adult tourism here, but there's a lot of fantastic shopping, and there's a lot of medical tourism here. So this is day number 8. I arrived last Friday morning, like early. It was late Thursday, early Friday, like midnight, which was great. There was hardly any traffic out, and I had a really nice chat with my cab driver. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Should be on the side there. So I'm going to just kind of bring you up to date. I'm here for a lot of different reasons, but one of my reasons is to enjoy some of the dental tourism that they offer here. So I did some research, a good bit of research before I ever left. Narrowed it down to 10 nationally, internationally certified and accredited dental clinics. Of those 10, I narrowed it down to wanting to be in contact with 3 of them. Of the 3 I contacted, 2 were responsive, which was fine. And so I've ended up settling with the MALO Clinic. I went in, I arrived on a Friday morning. I was in there on Tuesday for my initial consultation. Very nice, very, took x-rays and just had an initial consultation about what I needed. I went back, let's see. Yeah, so that was just a couple days ago. So I went back 2 days later, which was yesterday, and had a second consultation with a different specialist there that is also part of their clinic. And after that, got started on getting some work done. So yesterday they started on my deep cleaning, which is not the standard, scrape and polish. It's a deep cleaning down into the gum line, really getting into your teeth. If you have access to regular dental care, where you're at, and you're going to get your teeth cleaned every 3 months, you won't need a deep cleaning. If you're like me, and regular access to high quality dental care has not been available to you, you will probably get a deep cleaning. The cost was about 10,000 baht, which isn't that bad. You can also pay in US cash. However, I think there's an advantage to paying in the baht because their baht prices don't fluctuate, but the exchange rate between the dollar and the baht does. So when I first got here, the exchange rate was roughly, it was 3.7 to 1. I went and exchanged some cash the other day, and it was 32.7 to 1. So I came up an extra, couple thousand baht just by waiting a couple of days. If you're to pay in cash, the value of your cash does not go up or down. Your US dollar. So that's my opinion on that. So far, a great experience. I highly recommend the MALO Clinic. I'm going to put a link in the description below to a particular video that I found that covers 10 internationally accredited dental clinics here in Bangkok, I believe. If not specifically in Bangkok, definitely in Thailand, but I'm pretty sure it's just here in Bangkok because I knew this is where I was going to be and this is where I wanted to get my work done. And it's just you can review it real quick. It's very short. It gives you, the names and let you see a couple of people, probably the principals from those clinics. And you can take those names, and they all have websites. You can do your own research. I was very happy, with my 3 initial choices. I have no nothing negative to say about the one clinic that was non-responsive. Dental tourism is a big thing here. Lots and lots of people come here because it is affordable. Not only that, the people at the MALO Clinic, everyone from the receptionist who greeted me as I arrived to the periodontal specialists, or the oral surgeon, or the dentist who's going to be performing my root canal. I'm having a root canal today. Yay! Everyone has been super nice. They've been very patient. They thoroughly explain everything, any questions I have had, because sometimes it's a lot of information to take in all at once. You're, in a new place. You're talking with people that are multilingual. Their English is very, very on point. That's not the point. It's there's so much. You're immersed in a new place, and so all of it can be a little bit much to take in. So they're very patient. They thoroughly explain everything. Any questions you have, either then or afterwards, they were more than happy to answer for you, and answer. You can question and answer them, to your satisfaction, because believe it or not, I'm coming here. If you're coming here for dental tourism, you're coming here too, but they're here to help you. They are here to fix your smile and keep you smiling. This is their business. This is their professions that they have chosen. They have chosen to create these clinics to provide these services to local and international clientele. And the pricing is great. I am getting a buttload of work done for just under $2,000 US. In the US, you can barely get a root canal, and you cannot get a root canal and a crown done in the US for under $2,000 if you do not have some really great insurance. I had dental insurance previously, and I needed a root canal and a crown, and they only covered 50%. And the 50% they covered, long story short, that procedure cost me almost as much as, I'm just getting way more for my money here. I'm getting way more for my money. I'm not going to go into the details of it. But some of the work that I'm having to have done just stems from a lack of access to dental care in the United States. It's not because I'm lesser intelligent or whatever. I've had some pretty good jobs, but even good jobs don't always offer dental, And you little millennials and, some of you younger people, dental is a more common perk, for your office jobs. But when you're working construction, if you're non-union, even as a skilled craftsman, dental insurance is generally not accessible to a lot of us. And between the cost of the ticket, coming over here and getting to enjoy the Thai people, the Thai culture, the food, Bangkok is an amazing city. All of that folded together, plus the affordability of the dental care, coming here and getting dental work done is far more affordable than trying to simply buy a dental insurance plan on your own in your native country. And I'm really speaking to people from the United States and other Western European countries where your socialized medicine may not really include sufficient dental for you. So that's kind of where I'm at today. And I'm looking forward to going and getting this procedure. The last time I had a root canal, I was not looking forward to it. I was not looking forward to it.